Welcome back to Primetime News. Thanks for staying with us. The police have made a breakthrough into the murder of a Trelawney woman last month. The woman's sister is among 3 relatives who've been charged for the crime. Anthony Lugg has this Primetime News follow-up.
The shooting death of 36-year-old Tamara Geddes in front of her 10-year-old daughter sent chills through the country on June 19. Since then, investigators in Trelawney have been digging deep to find clues. On Tuesday, news came that 3 female relatives were taken into custody for questioning. 48 hours later, they were charged. They are 39-year-old Nadine Geddes, sister of the deceased, and her 2 daughters, 21-year-old Shanice Ruddock and the other a 14-year-old. This was the sister when our news team visited the scene on the day of the incident.
After what happened, she went in my mother's room and make phone call to my cousin. That's how I heard about it. No one downstairs hear anything.
It's understood that during questioning over the 2 days, they allegedly confessed to hiring a hitman to kill Miss Geddes. The police say 2 other persons implicated in the murder were arrested yesterday in Westmoreland. Miss Geddes was robbed of money and cell phones during the attack at her home on June 19. It was reported that the man also demanded sex, which was refused. TVJ News understands that the woman charged and Miss Geddes were embroiled in frequent dispute. They are scheduled to appear in the Trelawney Parish Court on Wednesday. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.